This is video tutorial number 3, Pro-Forma Stabilized Income Property Spreadsheet. My name is Jeffrey Smith. In this tutorial, I want to talk a bit about wealth creation and its relationship to cash flow. Let's say you want to donate $25,000 to a charitable cause, but you want to give the gift that keeps on giving. So in this example, I'll show how to use syndication and leveraged financing so that you can make that initial gift continue to give every year. Let's say that you want to have a cash flow of $25,000 to your favorite charity. Now let's change first the gross return on equity to about 80%. Let's change the secondary financing, make that about 9%, and maybe a rolled-in fee of 3%. First position financing about 2%. And let's do a what-if analysis so that the syndicator cash flow is $25,000. We do a what if. We want to change that number to $25,000 per year by changing the cash flow before tax. And now we see that we arrive at a net operating income of $194,366. The cap rate is 12.4394%. The bid price, the maximum allowable offer, is $1,562,500. Now when you syndicate this deal to preferred equity and private equity financiers, all you take is your syndication premium fee, $62,500, and you dedicate your syndication cash flow to your charity. Your private financiers for common equity are receiving 20% yield on their investment. You're raising total funds of $187,500, of which $46,875 goes to your escrow closing costs, $62,500 goes into your pocket, and the cash flow goes into your charity's pocket. So you got paid to generate an income stream for your charity. You can also use this same idea in terms of buying liabilities. For example, if you wanted to buy, let's say, a fancy car with a price tag of about $62,500, and there's ongoing insurance and maintenance and fuel costs, you can find an income property where you can structure a syndication deal such that your cash out as a syndication premium fee pays for the liability, and your cash flow pays for the cost of that liability. Because it will go down in value, it needs to be maintained and repaired. You also need some pocket money to be paid to buy the liability. So this is how wealthy people first purchase an asset and let the asset pay for the liabilities that they want. This has been video tutorial number 3, Pro-Forma Stabilized Income Property Spreadsheet. My name is Jeffrey Smith, and thank you for your support.